Intro. On September 5, 1977, NASA launched Voyager 1, setting in motion one of the boldest adventures in human history. Originally designed to explore Jupiter and Saturn, Voyager 1 was paired with its twin, Voyager 2, to unlock the mysteries of the outer planets. Few could have predicted that this small spacecraft would go far beyond its original mission, leaving the solar system itself and venturing into interstellar space. Built with 1970s technology and intended to last only 5 years, Voyager 1 became a trailblazer. It sent back unprecedented data of the giant planets, their turbulent atmospheres, intricate ring systems, and geologically active moons, reshaping planetary science forever. Today, more than 4 decades later, Voyager 1 is still operating, having traveled over 14 billion miles from Earth. In 2012, it crossed a historic boundary, the heliopause, the point where the Sun's influence gives way to the interstellar medium. This milestone made Voyager 1 the first human-made object to enter the space between the stars. Into the interstellar unknown. Beyond the Sun's reach, Voyager continues to send precious information from an environment filled with charged particles, magnetic fields, and cosmic rays. Among its findings are mysterious plasma wave vibrations, odd spikes in energy, and puzzling particle movements. These results have challenged existing theories and sparked speculation, from the presence of dark matter to entirely new forms of physics. One of the most debated observations is a repeating signal pattern detected by its instruments. While some scientists explain this as natural plasma behavior or magnetic fluctuations, others have wondered if these could be signs of hidden cosmic structures, or even artificial communication. Endurance of a pioneer. Despite the long 19-hour delay for each signal to travel back to Earth and its shrinking power supply, Voyager 1 endures thanks to its radioisotope thermoelectric generators. NASA engineers have carefully shut down non-essential systems to preserve its core instruments. Against freezing temperatures near -400 degrees Fahrenheit and decades of harsh radiation, the spacecraft continues to function, a triumph of engineering and determination. Voyager also revealed that the heliopause is not a fixed wall but a shifting frontier that expands and contracts with the Sun's 11-year activity cycle. This discovery reshaped how we understand the solar system's interaction with the galaxy itself. The Golden Record and AMP, humanity's message. Voyager 1 carries more than science. It carries a message, the Golden Record. This time capsule of Earth includes greetings in 55 languages, natural sounds of our planet, and music spanning cultures and centuries, from classical symphonies to rock and roll. Designed by a team led by Carl Sagan, it was meant as a gift, a greeting to any intelligence that might one day encounter it. Among Voyager's most haunting data are the sounds of plasma waves, ionized gases converted into audio. These eerie tones give us an audible glimpse of interstellar space, with some recordings even showing repeating structures that remain unexplained. Could this be a natural rhythm of the cosmos, or something more? Voyager 1 is more than a spacecraft, it is humanity's voice cast into the deep. Built with technology from the 1970s, designed for a mission of just a few years, it has gone far beyond every expectation, becoming an enduring symbol of what human curiosity can achieve. Against the cold emptiness of space, it endures, still alive, still speaking, even as its systems grow weaker with time. What makes Voyager extraordinary is not only the science it has revealed, but what it represents. Each faint signal, traveling for nearly 19 hours across the void before reaching Earth, is more than a stream of data. It is a message about who we are. It tells us that we are a species unwilling to accept boundaries, unwilling to remain in the shadows of ignorance. It tells us that we dare to dream, to build, to send pieces of ourselves into realms where no human has ever been. Voyager 1's journey is a story of resilience. It has weathered radiation, cosmic storms, freezing darkness, and the sheer passage of time. And yet it still carries on, proving that even the simplest of tools, when combined with determination, can outlast generations. It is not just exploring for us, it is teaching us what it means to endure. Beyond the science, Voyager carries something deeply human, the golden record. This small disk, etched with our greetings, our languages, our sounds, and our music, is a time capsule of Earth. Within it is the laughter of children, the crash of ocean waves, the chirping of birds, and the rhythms of human creativity. Beethoven and Chuck Berry, greetings in 55 tongues, and the heartbeat of a mother, all preserved in a message meant for the stars. It is not only a gift to any intelligence that may one day discover it, it is a reflection of what we chose to show about ourselves. It is our attempt to say, we were here, and this is who we were. Voyager also gave us one of the most profound images in history, the pale blue dot. From nearly 6 billion kilometers away, it looked back at Earth and captured our world as a tiny speck of light, suspended in a sunbeam. That image reminds us of our fragility, of how small we truly are in the vastness of space. But it also reminds us of our unity, that every culture, every conflict, every achievement, and every dream exists on that single point of light. It is both humbling and uplifting, a reminder of our responsibility to protect this fragile home. As Voyager drifts farther, deeper into interstellar space, it becomes less of a probe and more of a symbol. A lone traveler, carrying humanity's questions into the silence between the stars. One day, its power will fade completely, and its voice will fall silent. But even then, it will not be lost. It will continue to glide on through the galaxy, a silent ambassador of Earth, carrying the golden record for billions of years. Long after humanity has changed, long after Earth itself has transformed, Voyager will still be out there, our message in a bottle to the cosmos. Its story is not just about exploration. It is about hope. It is about courage. It is about the idea that even from a small world orbiting an ordinary star, life can dream of the infinite. Every transmission Voyager sends back, though faint and delayed, is a whisper from the edge of forever. A whisper that says, humanity reached beyond its cradle. Humanity dared to ask what lies beyond. Humanity chose to send a part of itself into eternity. Voyager 1 is not just a spacecraft. It is a monument to our curiosity, our imagination, and our determination to explore. It is proof that the unknown does not frighten us, it calls to us. And as long as Voyager sails onward, so too does the reminder that our journey is only beginning. Thank you for joining this story. If Voyager inspires you as it has inspired generations, stay connected for more explorations of science, space, and the unending frontier of human imagination. Because the stars are not just above us, they are our future.